Welcome to our educational video on building rapport and trust with patients. In this video, we will explore essential techniques and strategies to enhance your patient communication skills. Rapport and trust are fundamental to effective patient care. Establishing strong connections with patients leads to improved communication, higher patient satisfaction, and better health outcomes. Throughout this journey, we'll provide practical tips and insights to help you develop meaningful relationships with your patients. So let's get started and discover how you can make a positive impact in your patients' lives by building rapport and trust from the very first interaction. Many healthcare professionals struggle with building rapport and trust with their patients due to challenges like time constraints, diverse patient backgrounds, and differing expectations. Poor rapport and trust can lead to misunderstandings, decreased patient satisfaction, and poorer health outcomes. Imagine a patient who doesn't feel heard or understood. They might withhold important information, miss appointments, or fail to follow treatment plans. Recognizing and addressing these challenges is crucial for healthcare providers. Understanding these common challenges is the first step in improving patient interactions. By acknowledging and addressing the barriers impeding effective communication, healthcare professionals can rebuild rapport and foster trust. As we move forward, you'll see how to transform these challenges into opportunities for growth and better patient relationships. Rapport is the foundation of every strong patient-provider relationship. It goes beyond just building a connection. It fosters trust, enhances communication, and significantly improves patient outcomes. What exactly is rapport? It's a connection built on understanding and mutual respect, where a patient feels heard and valued. The benefits of building such rapport are immense. It leads to better patient satisfaction, more accurate diagnoses, and increased compliance with treatment plans. When patients trust and feel understood by their healthcare provider, their overall experience and health improve vastly. Mastering rapport isn't just about being a good listener, it's about creating a space where patients feel genuinely cared for and understood. Now, let's explore the journey of building rapport in depth. Building rapport with patients begins with the very first interaction. First impressions are crucial, and simple techniques like active listening can make all the difference. Pay full attention to your patient, acknowledging their concerns without interruptions or judgments. Maintaining eye contact conveys genuine interest and empathy, reassuring your patient they are valued and heard. Show empathy in your conversations by understanding your patient's words and sensing their feelings. These small but significant steps set the stage for strong rapport. Each interaction is an opportunity to strengthen your connection with patients. We'll delve deeper into these techniques and explore how they can be seamlessly integrated into your practice. Combining these steps with consistency and authenticity can build a foundation of trust that leads to more effective communication and better patient outcomes. Building trust with your patients is essential for creating a meaningful and effective healthcare experience. Trust is the result of consistent and reliable actions that reassure patients of your commitment to their well-being. It's about showing up and following through on your promises. Equally important is honesty and transparency. Open communication builds a bridge between you and your patients, fostering a sense of safety and respect. When you're candid about diagnoses, treatment options, and potential outcomes, patients feel valued and are more likely to place their trust in you. Consistency, reliability, honesty, and transparency are the pillars of trust, guiding you to forge stronger, more authentic relationships with your patients. Next, we will delve deeper into effective patient communication strategies that will further enhance your ability to build rapport and trust. Stay with us as we continue this journey towards transforming patient relationships for the better. Effective communication is the foundation of any strong patient-provider relationship. By ensuring your messages are clear and concise, you reduce chances of misunderstandings and foster a better connection. Remember, it's not just about talking. Active listening plays a crucial role in fully understanding your patient's concerns. By giving feedback, you validate their feelings and encourage an open dialogue. This two-way communication helps build rapport and trust, essential elements for effective patient care. As we move forward, you'll see how empathy and understanding can further enhance your communication skills, making a lasting impact on patient relationships. Empathy is a powerful tool in healthcare. It transcends mere words and actions, diving deep into the essence of human connection. When healthcare professionals truly understand and acknowledge their patients' emotions, the foundation of rapport and trust is firmly established. Imagine a scenario where a patient feels heard, understood, and genuinely cared for. Such interactions can transform a clinical encounter into a healing experience. By showing empathy in every interaction, you not only meet physical needs but also address the emotional well-being of your patients. This holistic approach fosters a sense of comfort and trust, enhancing the overall patient-provider relationship. As we move forward, you'll see how identifying and overcoming common barriers can further elevate your practice. Barriers such as cultural differences, language barriers, and time constraints can significantly hinder building rapport and trust with patients. Identifying these barriers is the first step in overcoming them. Cultural differences may require understanding a patient's background and values. Addressing language barriers often involves using interpreters or translation services. For time constraints, it's crucial to optimize every interaction by being fully present and attentive to the patient's needs. These strategies are essential to ensure that no obstacle is insurmountable. Adopting these approaches can lead to lasting relationships built on trust and understanding. Patient-centered care is an approach that puts the patient's needs and preferences at the forefront of healthcare. This method involves understanding the patient as a whole, considering their emotional, social, and mental health needs as well. By implementing patient-centered care, healthcare professionals can build stronger relationships with their patients, creating a foundation of trust and mutual respect. This approach leads to better patient outcomes and greater satisfaction for both patients and providers. When patients feel heard and valued, they are more likely to adhere to treatment plans, share important health information, and engage in follow-up care. For healthcare professionals, this means reduced burnout and a sense of fulfillment in their roles. Adopting the principles of patient-centered care can transform the patient-provider relationship from a transactional interaction into a collaborative partnership. Next, we will explore strategies to maintain these relationships over the long term, ensuring continuous care and follow-up. Stay tuned. Building lasting relationships with patients requires more than an initial connection. It's about maintaining rapport and trust over time. Consistent follow-ups are not just professional courtesies, they help solidify the trust established during initial interactions. Think of it as ongoing care, where each check-in reaffirms your commitment to your patient's well-being. But it's not just about scheduling appointments. Active and continuous communication matters. Whether it's a quick follow-up call, an email, or a personalized message, these small efforts remind patients their health is a priority. Over time, these actions weave a fabric of trust, where patients feel secure and valued. This foundation makes navigating even the toughest health journeys together possible, fostering a partnership based on mutual respect and understanding. The goal is to ensure that patients receive ongoing care attentive to their evolving needs. Each interaction is an opportunity to strengthen the bond and reinforce the trust you've worked hard to build. As we move forward, you'll see real-life examples and patient testimonials highlighting the profound impact of these strategies. Let's look at a real-life example of a healthcare professional who successfully built rapport and trust with their patients. In this case study, we'll delve into the journey of Dr. Smith, a primary care physician who transformed her patient relationships through dedicated rapport building. Initially, Dr. Smith faced challenges similar to many in her field. Patients felt unheard and relationships were strained. Realizing the need for change, she began by employing active listening techniques, genuinely engaging in conversations, and showing empathy towards her patients' concerns. Over time, these consistent efforts fostered a deeper level of trust and understanding. Her patients began to open up more, sharing critical health information that led to better treatment plans and outcomes. Dr. Smith's story is a powerful testament to the impact of effective communication. By prioritizing rapport and trust, she not only enhanced her patients' satisfaction but also improved their overall health outcomes. As we move forward, you'll see more examples that highlight the transformative power of these techniques. Listening to real patients is the best way to understand the profound impact of building rapport and trust. You'll hear stories of transformation, showing how a genuine connection with healthcare providers has made a real difference in their care. Each patient shares their unique experiences, shedding light on what worked and why it mattered so much. They speak about moments of empathy, patience, and understanding that turned routine visits into memorable, impactful experiences. The trust they felt not only improved their health outcomes but also their confidence and comfort in seeking care. As you hear their voices, you'll grasp how simple gestures and sincere communication can foster trust and make a world of difference in the patient-provider relationship. These testimonials reinforce the invaluable role of building rapport and trust in providing high-quality, compassionate care. Throughout this journey, we've explored various strategies to build rapport and trust with patients. From understanding the challenges to implementing effective communication techniques, empathy, and patient-centered care, each step has been crucial. By applying what we've discussed, healthcare professionals can profoundly improve their patient relationships. This not only enhances communication and trust, but also leads to overall patient satisfaction and better health outcomes. With these tools, you're equipped to foster stronger connections with your patients, enriching both their experience and your practice. As we move forward, you'll see how this transformation positively impacts patient care. The journey doesn't end here, it's an ongoing process of growth and learning. Stay tuned for our final recap and key takeaways. In summary, building rapport and trust with your patients is essential for effective communication and better health outcomes. Remember the importance of active listening, consistent communication, and empathy in your daily practice. By applying these techniques, you can transform your patient relationships and contribute to improved satisfaction and care. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope these insights have been valuable in enhancing your professional interactions. We encourage you to apply these techniques in your practice and see the positive impact on your patient relationships. Building rapport and trust isn't just beneficial for your patients, it transforms your professional experience as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more educational content. Stay connected and continue your journey towards enhanced patient care. We look forward to sharing more strategies and insights with you.